Welcome back to Andrea Jean Cleaning. Today I'm going to show you what happens when you put a clothespin in your shower. This is one of my favorite ways to revive your shower experience and make it smell delicious and make you feel more energized. There's two ways that you can do this here today. First and foremost, if you love the smell of these Downy Unstoppables, which I do, you can take a few of these beads in some warm water, shake it up, and then saturate your wooden clothespin in the Downy Unstoppables. I'm going to show you a second trick right here, and then where to place the clothespin for optimal results. I just have some essential oils right here, eucalyptus. Now I love this because when your shower gets nice and hot, the steam from the shower causes the eucalyptus smell to be even more potent. Now saturate that fully here in the clothespin. Now if you're looking for additional clothespin hacks, I actually have an entire video, I'll link it in the description box below for you. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your clothespin. You can really put this anywhere you want to and refreshen your clothespin as often as you need to, depending upon if you feel like the smell is not as pungent as it once was. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go up here in the shower, and the reason that I like to put it up here is because it's more inconspicuous, and two, then the steam comes off and freshens up your whole showering experience. Now I make sure that it's not hitting the water spot because I don't necessarily want the essential oils, this kind, all over my skin, so I put that right up there. Another option for you that I love equally as well is you can clip it inside of your shower curtain if you have this availability right here, or you could clip it to the top, wherever you want to. And there we go. Not only does this clothespin smell amazing, but it's keeping the shower curtain and the shower liner nicely together, and then you can just use it to pull and open and close your shower curtain. Now if you're looking for a video about how to clean your bathtub, the easiest and quickest way to make that happen, I will link that video in the description box below. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and let me know if you enjoy this hack as much as I do.